Google's Q1 2026 earnings are in. Record revenue of $109.9 billion, up 22%. Google Cloud achieved $20 billion revenue in Q1 2026 with 63% year-over-year growth driven by AI demand.
Strong AI and cloud performance driving Alphabet's impressive Q1 2026 results. Alphabet is building a powerful full-stack AI platform that positions it strongly for the future. Alphabet is heavily investing in AI infrastructure with 2026 capital expenditures expected between $80 and $190 billion.
Google is well-positioned in the AI race with its full-stack capabilities and enterprise solutions.
Alphabet reported record Q1 2026 revenue of $109.9 billion, up 22% year-over-year. Alphabet is executing strongly on AI and cloud initiatives, positioning the company for continued growth. Long-term investors in Alphabet have benefited greatly from the company's consistent innovation and market leadership. People who invested early in Google in 2004 saw extraordinary returns as the stock grew tremendously over the years.
Early Google investors who held their shares long-term experienced life-changing returns as the company transformed from startup to global tech giant. Many early employees and investors who believed in Google became multi-millionaires or even billionaires due to the company's massive growth.
Analysts have strong confidence in Alphabet with average price target around $388 showing continued upside.
Alphabet maintains strong market position with robust growth across search, cloud, and AI segments in 2026.
Always do your own research before buying Google stock. Research thoroughly, understand the risks, consider your own situation, never rely only on others' opinions. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.